So welcome all once again in this lecture, in the second lecture, which I'm going to tell you about the different countries of the world which are under the poverty line still, especially the developing countries. So the same way in which I discussed about the interstate disparities, I'm going to compare here the various countries over here. Children, you have seen that the proportion of the people, especially in the developing countries, the ratio of the people in developing countries, those who are living in the extreme economic poverty, which has been defined by the World Bank. Okay, World Bank, they are less than, which is I told you in that poverty line ratio which the World Bank has taken is $1.90 per day. Is it clear? World Bank has estimated it that the person, those who are getting $1.90 per day below this, once again, $1.90 or below $1.90 per day, they are considered as the persons, those who are below the poverty line. This has been decided by the World Bank. Okay, children. So side by side, they have seen that the poverty ratio, it has fallen from 35% in 1990. Is it clear? 1990 to 10.68. 1919 में क्या था? 35% लोग पॉवर्टी लाइन के बिलो थे. बट अब क्या हो गया है? जो एस्टिमेट अभी लिया है इन 2013, अब कितना हो गया है हमारा? 10.68% रह गया है. ठीक है, अब जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट अ वास्ट डिफरेंस ओवर ईयर. 1990 35% people were below the poverty line all over world. Now if we compare it with the census which has been taken in 2013, we see that it's only now 10.68. Such a vast difference over here. Though this difference has been taken at a very substantial reduction in the global poverty, and it is marked with great regional differences also. There is a difference, but we can't find it out in other countries also. It depends from region to region. How region to region, I would like to tell you. Now we have seen that first China was also a developing country in which large mass was living under the poverty line. चाइना भी एक डेवलपिंग कंट्री थी जहाँ पे बहुत गरीबी थी. वहाँ पे लार्ज मास, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग गरीबी के रेखा के नीचे रहते थे. एंड साइड बाय साइड साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज आपका इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया, इवन इंडिया, बर्मा, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, नेपाल, ये सारी कंट्रीज क्या थी? दे वर लिविंग अंडर द पॉवर्टी लाइन. बट अब जो हम देख रहे हैं कि इसमें काफ़ी डिक्लाइन आया है पॉवर्टी लाइन में. वी हैव सीन अ वास्ट डिक्लाइन इन दीज कंट्रीज. Why? Because of the rapid growth of the economic status over there, and side by side the massive investment in the human resource development. Two things. Poverty line में decline कैसे आया? Rapid क्या हुआ? नंबर वन, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ में उनमें चेंज लेके आए, इको डेवलपमेंट हुआ. एंड सेकेंडली ह्यूमन रिसोर्स में ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया उन्होंने. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट पे ध्यान दिया, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स पे ध्यान दिया. एंड इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल यू कैन सी दैट चाइना इज ओवर देयर. दे हैव गिवन इन ऑर्डर टू रेज द पीपल above the poverty line. China has given more stress on the human resource of their country. Human resource means in again I would like to tell you, I have already discussed about the human resource development also, that they have made more investment on the people of their country. How on the people of the country? Giving them skill development, medical facilities and all. In this way they have raised the status of the economy of their country, and side by side the they have also raised the living standard of the people of their country. Okay, after this I would like to tell you that numbers of poor in China, they have come down from 88.3%. just imagine, in China in 1981 88.3% were living below the poverty line, and now in 2008 census, ठीक है, It is now 1.9%. 2013, 1.9% is in 2013. You just see what a drastic change has taken place in China. Now, side by side, in the कंट्रीज ऑफ साउथ एशिया, साउथ एशिया में कौन आता है, एशिया के जो सदर्न रीजन में है उसका में यहाँ पे आपका आ गया इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, नेपाल, बांग्लादेश, भूटान. There we can see in these countries also there has been a decline, and this decline is a rapid decline. Okay, rapid decline. How I'm going to show you, I hope so. Rapid decline, you can see in a bar diagram over there, the poverty ratio in selected Indian states. We have in this South Asian countries, you can see over here, though the decline in the percentage of the poor and the number of the poor, it has declined significantly from 44%. 44%. You have seen that in India. India is over there. I'm sorry. You can see India over here, Pakistan, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Okay, South Asian countries, you can see that the number of poor has declined significantly from 44% to 17%. Now we can see only 17% people are living below the poverty line. Because of these different poverty line definition, poverty in India is also shown higher than the national estimates. Okay, why? Once again I would like to explain you here different poverty line definition. World Bank is showing different poverty line definition. In India we have taken totally a different poverty line definition, that we are, what poverty line definition World Bank has taken, that person, those who are living, those who are earning 1.90 per day dollar or below this are considered as poor people, living below the poverty line. But it depends region to region. In India we have taken a totally a different thing. In India our estimates of poverty is seen from various perspective. Is it clear? From various perspective, and that is why national estimates is totally different, and in comparison to the World Bank, they have taken in a different way. Now we'll take in Saharan African countries. Sub-Saharan African country, there are many countries like Nigeria is there, Brazil is there. Okay, so in sub-Saharan African poverty, it rose from 54% in 1990 में. आप देखोगे वहाँ पे साउथ अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज़ में, अफ्रीका में बहुत कंट्रीज़ है, नाइजीरिया है, ब्राज़ील है, कीनिया है, ये सब जो है वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा था पहले. इट वॉज फॉर 54% था, अब 41% है वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे देखोगे जो ये डिक्लाइन रेट है वो स्लो है, इतना ज़्यादा जो है देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. उसके बाद विल टेक द लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्री. लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्री में आप देखोगे कि रेशियो जो पॉवर्टी है ये डिक्लाइन हो गया है. कैसे डिक्लाइन हुआ है? पहले जो है जहाँ पर ये 16% था 1990 में. फर्स्ट इट वॉज it was 16% only. Okay, I'll write it over here. 1919 में 16% था इन लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्रीज़ में, और अब ये 16% से अब आप देखोगे यहाँ पे ये 5.4% रह गया है in Latin American country 2013. Now this is the one work I would like to give you here. Find out the Latin American countries. Okay, some work which I'm going to assign you is find out the countries which comes in Latin America. ठीक है, अब ये लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्रीज़ में 16% था 1990 में, 90 में. नाउ इट इज़ 5.4% ओनली. Side by side we have seen that the poverty ratio has declined in socialist country like America also. ठीक है ना. एफिशिएंटली स्टार्टिंग में क्या था, रशिया के अंदर पॉवर्टी नहीं थी, लेकिन जब सोशलिस्ट कंट्री रशिया जो है ये जो है जब ये डिफरेंट और कंट्रीज डिसइंटीग्रेट हुई है, उसके बाद रशिया के अंदर फिर से हमको पॉवर्टी देखने को मिल गई है। ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे ये इस टेबल के थ्रू जो है, यहाँ पे आपको प्रपोर्शन ऑफ पीपल दिखाए गए हैं, दोज आर लिविंग अंडर पॉवर्टी इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, एंड दे हैव डिफाइंड बाय इंटरनेशनल पॉवर्टी लाइन। इंटरनेशनल पॉवर्टी लाइन क्या है बेटा? इंटरनेशनल पॉवर्टी लाइन, इट इज़ अ poverty line which means the population which is below 1.90 dollar per day, earning 1.90 dollar or below 1.90 dollar per day is called as a according to international level, we call it as international poverty line. So 1 marks question can arise over here. What is the estimate considered by the World Bank for the international poverty line, that is 1.90 per dollar. So for this sustainable goals of the United Nations proposes ending poverty of all types by 2030. तो यूनाइटेड नेशंस जो अब स्टेप ले रहा है, उसने डिसाइड किया है कि 2030 तक हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू एंड द पॉवर्टी फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड. Okay, so this much is enough for today. So 2 topics I've discussed over here, that is the interstate disparities as well as the global scenario poverty level. So there are 2 main important questions which can be asked from you over here, that is describe global poverty trends. ठीक है, global poverty trends in which you are going to describe about the, first of all you are going to discuss about the China. After that you are going to discuss about the Southeast Asian countries and Southern Asian countries. Where you are going to discuss about the African countries also, and Latin American countries and Russia. These are the 5 points which are going to write. You are going to write down here. And side by side, another question which can come over here is the interstate disparity of poverty in India in the previous lecture of today's. So in the interstate, you first of all you are going to tell you about you are going to write about the conditions of the Bihar and Orissa over here. After that you are going to write about Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and all. And for the eradication of this, what the steps have been taken by the various government, you are going to write down about that also. How the Punjab and Haryana government has eradicated poverty from their the states by giving more stress on the agricultural development. केरला ने कैसे इरेडिकेट की है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट में. उसके बाद वेस्ट बंगाल ने कैसे की है, लैंड रिफॉर्म्स लाके की है. उसके बाद तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश ने कैसे की है, बाय इम्प्रूविंग द food grains of the country, public distribution system, state, and improving the this public distribution system in the state. Okay, so that's much for today. Now in the next lecture I'm going to discuss the last topic, which is the main topic over here. So be prepared for test tomorrow in geography in between the chapter. Okay, so after test I'm going to give you video also, a short video in which I'm going to start with the alleviation program of the first of all only I'm going to tell you what are the various causes of poverty.